Alright guys, so this is it. Ito na talaga yan, dibdiban na to. Alright, so this is for real. Dumating na yung in-order ko from Shopee. This is one of the item that I'm gonna need for my blogging journey. So, let's check out the quality. Alright? And by the way, sobrang bilis dumating nito sa akin. Actually, natutulog pa nga ako. Ginising lang ako ng delivery boy. And let me see. I ordered this. I'm outside Metro Manila, by the way, for you guys' information. So I'm surprised that I'm really surprised that the delivery was very fast, and I bought this at a pretty cheap price, including the shipping. It's 165 pesos. And let's check the order delivered. Okay, so there you go, guys. I'm not sure if you can see it. Let me increase the. Not sure if you can see it, but I ordered this on August 5th August, and it was shipped a few hours, and then it arrived today after 2 days. Alright, so yun yung price nyo, 85 plus 80 pesos shipping delivery through Ninja Van. So all in all, it's 165. Let's go. Let's check this out. If you're a blogger,
You talking to me?
yes, if you are a blogger, you're gonna need one of these. So, this is not the original one, pero we'll definitely gonna check and see if it's comparable. Okay, kung ano yung quality. Packaging wise, bubble wrap, which is good for packages. Parang hindi siya ma-damage through shipping. So, it's okay for me. It's a plus for me. The bubble wrap packaging is all good and tight. I'm actually having a hard time opening this. Medyo mahirap siya, guys, ha. Wait a second. Let me grab something. Here. Okay, cutter. Just take care of yourself. Be careful not to get cut, and of course not to damage the product. Okay, so there you go. 165 all in all. Saan ba yung ulo niya? Right here. So start from here. Okay, so there you go. Unboxing. Whoa! So that's the reason why it's not going out, because alright guys, so this is for the cell phone holder. So as you can see, you can use this for your cell phone as well. So cell phone holder is good, it's included, and this is the monopod itself.
You serious?
Alright. So quality wise, wow. Oh. So there are some joints that are not that easy to deal with, but yeah, over time this will loosen up. So niluwag naman to siguro. So ayan, may mga joints lang na. Check natin yung mga joints. Each and every joints. The original version, I think, would be a lot easier to fold, pero I guess this will do the job, right? So ganun lang gawin nyo, guys. Luwagan nyo lang yung mga joints, these ones as well. Alright, so ayan siya. Uy, I think this is pretty big. Okay, so medyo malaki yung right? Medyo malaki tong ano niya. Ito to. We call this screw. But I think pwede siyang tanggalin. This right over here. Ayun. Oh, di ba? Okay, so if you guys don't see it, there you go. Meron siyang kasamang adapter for bigger size screws or camera probably. But that's a smaller one. So you can just mount it there, or you can mount this one and put your phone like that. Make sure to tighten it up really tight. Okay, so that your phone will stick up. Alright, so so that you guys can see a better view of it. Okay, so that is the tripod. GorillaPod monopod for 165 pesos. Yeah, it's an okay for me, thumbs up for me, and I can definitely make use of these for my videos, most especially outside. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Peace out. See you on my next video. Goodbye for now.